Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Truth Seekers Podcast. I'm your host, Rex Arvin Babaran, and today we have a very important topic to discuss: battling on disinformation. In today's world, we're surrounded by information, right? However, do you realize what lies beneath some of it? Disinformation. It's like the sneaky cousin of information, causing trouble and spreading lies. And let me tell you, it's not just harmless gossip. Disinformation can mess with our heads, break down trust, and even mess with how we see the world. That's why we've got to take a stand against it. Think about it. Why do we need to fight back against disinformation? Well, because it messes with our lives, plain and simple. It can mess up our friendships, make us believe stuff that's not true, and even make us vote for things we don't really want. We can let that happen, can we? So, it's time to stand up and say, enough is enough. Now, let's talk about how we're going to do this. First things first, we've got to understand what disinformation is and how it messes with us. There are all kinds of lies out there, from innocent mistakes to big, coordinated attacks meant to trick us. And you know what? These lies can even mess with everything: our relationships, our politics, and even our wallets. But if we know where to look and what to look for, we can start fighting back. So, where does all this fake stuff come from? And how can we identify if it's disinformation? It hides in sneaky places like social media platforms, shady websites, and even some news outlets. We can recognize a disinformation in various sources by considering these signs like lack of credibility, agenda driven content, and sensationalism. So, what's the plan? It's pretty simple, really. We've got to get smart about this stuff. We need to learn how to spot the lies, check our facts, and think for ourselves. But that's not all. We also need rules and laws to keep the liar in check and support the good guys who tell the truth. And hey, why not use the technology to help us out? We've got all these fancy gadgets. We might as well put them to good use. But it's not just about fighting back. It's also about being responsible with what we share. Let's keep in mind the quote that says, "Think before you click." We've got to be careful about spreading lies and be open to hearing different points of view. By being smart about what we share and being open to new ideas, we can make sure we're not falling for any more tricks. So, let's band together and take a stand against disinformation. Our world will be a better place for it, don't you think? Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for giving time to listen on my podcast about this important topic, which is battling on disinformation. And to all our listeners out there, remember to always seek the truth and think critically about the information you encounter. Until next time, this is Rex Arvin Babaran signing off. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay skeptical. Goodbye, everyone.
Bangon tayo.
Miss, kape nga.
3 in 1?
Hindi, yung puro.
Nescafe Classic. Bunga ng 100% puro at natural. Kaping-kape ang lasa at aroma para 100% gising ang isip, katawan at diwa.
Good job, June! Para sa pamilya ko.
Dito ka na sa 100% puro at natural. Nescafe Classic.